What's up with you?
Thank you, thank you. Senior one, I greet you. Who not see you, now man may God. The guy, they know they see, their father laugh. I swear to God, my mama say, be with the armpit, no say eyelashes, na senior boy. Because the one where they armpit, then they shave them. Eyelash, na since we small, till now, they whining. No, for you. I say Nigeria is blessed. My mama, as a young woman here, yeah? My mama say, avoid any man with a piece on top toilet seat. Because those kind of men need a feed day with one woman. If you no feel control or blah blah when you see toilet seat, how you want to take control and when you see woman. Wisdom. No, for you. I said this country is blessed too. Hey, not be small thing wey happen just 3 days ago. 3 days ago, somebody come post blue film for our church WhatsApp group. And man of God, our pastor did the WhatsApp group. You know, say normally all those kind of things, once they enter first, when everybody don't watch and the video will show blue tick. So if they show blue mark, we'll know say even man of God don't see him. Next thing, we expect comments to begin pop up. Somebody, the first comment will appear on a fuck shit. And a usher, na in type am. So we know say pastor don't see the thing, and pastor say no say we know say don't see him. So now how to address us? We wait for him to address us. That be problem. The first thing we will see now is typing. So that is typing. We just did the cool, the wait first. For church, normally if your name na Johnson and they want to address you, they will call you Bro John. If your name na Michael, they want to address you, they will call you Bro Mike. And the person will post the blue film in name na Cosmos. Now pastor type Bro Cos. Oh boy, group scatter. I'ma leave this country. Now this Lagos with day, I go wedding on Saturday, then they share food, share salad, give one girl, the girl use a bar, swallow am. And now the girl come the vex pass, so the vex for who give her the salad. Excuse me, can I talk to you? Why? No, what? Just why? Why would you people give me vegetable soup that you did not warm? Then they warm salad. I say the country is blessed. You know, say normally get some set of people who need to appreciate for this country. Everybody will come out and say, clap your hands for men, clap your hands for women, doctors, lawyers. Nobody don't ever come outside and appreciate Ashawo. No, at the top of my mind, if some of the men we dey here, we will know ourselves. We know. See, nobody do ever. It's not good. That's the oldest profession, Abi. Yes, Ashawo na the oldest profession. Even for Bible, now Ashawo use her hair clean Jesus' leg. You don't see Jesus before. Ashawo don't see him. I said this country, I said the way your pikin take sleep for night, take wake up for morning, and so you go know what your pikin go be for future. If you lie and down normal, the pikin wake up there and a normal pikin. But if you lie and down for night, they hear, you know, say that pikin go sabi gossip. But if you lie and down now before morning, you see and the pikin don't roll come here, you know, say you go sabi waka. But if you lie the pikin down normal before morning, you see pikin like this. My brother, you don't born a shower. This country is blessed. Now, before I leave here, they say if you're not good, sometimes when they talk, some people will say, this one don't smoke, it good, this one. If you're not good for your brain, quit. Well done. Senior man. Normally, if you're not good for your brain, quit. Now true. My uncle from Port Harcourt, every time he smoke, he can't reach Lagos here. Come tell me, say, oh boy, I want smoke. I say, Baba, waiting that they smoke here and are loud. He say, no, if I smoke and loud, go low. We say, okay. I can't carry the guy from Chevron, we'll go reach phase 1. After I don't smoke finish, we won't go out. He say, nah, me go drive. I say, how? He say, waiting, they worry. I say, no, he enter car, begin drive. I say, they drive, we don't drive reach Chevron roundabout, full express. My uncle stop car, open door, come down, throw back flip, enter car, close and begin drive. say, Uncle, why you go enter, come down, throw back? He say, since why I drive, my mind, they tell me, he cannot do backflip, he cannot do backflip, he cannot do back. I say, man, stop, fuck him up, your mind. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Good night.
People buy ticket, enter, bouncer just strict anyhow. If you don't get ticket, they bounce. Port Harcourt I come from, we know they like to buy ticket, go show. Now free show now they like to go. If not be free, we know they go. Any show you put ticket, nobody go come. Every time, free show. One guy come verse. Now you organize show, you bring flavor, bring Fino, bring Davido, bring Bovi, bring Basketmouth. Big show, you not put ticket. He say na free. People say, hey, now this kind of show they like. And when people don't gather full inside the hall, show don't they go on and you lock the door, bring bouncer. You go pay ticket to go back house. Any which way they collect their money. But I call people, don't like stress. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers here. Please put your hands together for the Mother's Day. And all the mothers worldwide. You know, say, girls of nowadays, you know, get everything they know they thief again. Like 3 girls on my status, they post one woman, Happy Mother's Day, and all of them from different states. They just go screenshot person, find mother, they post. Is that how you guys behave now? They thief things online, nobody cares. Talking about Nigeria as a country. Nigeria go frustrate you. Yahoo boys, they don't go start to do Yahoo. They don't press. Don't read 2 years. They never pick. And they decide they want to go meet native doctor, may do jazz for them. Native doctor can say, okay, no, well, I say if you do jazz and they pick, how much we own? Native doctor don't hear Yahoo boys do. He can say, okay, your own percentage inside will be 20%. They say no wahala. Yahoo boys then go ahead with the work. As since me happen, Maga pay 10 million naira. Native doctor won't share for the money now 2 million. When they transfer 2 million, enter Amadioha account. Now once bank block the account, say Amadioha open student account. Say no fee access the money. So they can say may you bring BVN before you go fee open the account. You run around, you don't get BVN. They say okay, make you go bring NIN. You go where they do NIN, you stand for line, wait till evening, you reach in turn. They tell Amadioha, say you need to get BVN before you do NIN. They all they turn them up and down. And one of the bank workers call advice and say, since you don't get any of the documents, may you just go find driving license. As we talk now, Amadioha dey VI here, they learn how to drive for one driving school. These boys go stress you. Yahoo boys. Yahoo guys for Port Harcourt, then they smart. One guy they don't press for 1 year, they never pick. Finally, one of them contract pick $200. That's 100,000 naira. As the one goes squander, the guy say no, maybe no spend the money. Say he get plans. That's the HK boss. That HK boss from the money where they pick, he buy typewriter, he buy photocopy machine, buy different things. For daytime, they do cyber cafe. For night, they do cyber crime. Any which way one go pay. Good. Yahoo. Anyhow walk. People, one of my guys come here, they talk about tattoo. You don't see the kind of tattoo Port Harcourt girls they draw. But one of my neighbor for Port Harcourt, any guy when she did, she don't carry the guy name tattoo for body. If you look her back, different guy name Chooks, Emeka, Jumbo, Mike. Look person back, you be like saying names of noise makers and they write. Anyhow, abroad they draw tattoo, they draw tattoo. If you say you go appreciate. Girl for abroad now, she feel just there. She go drop butterfly. Why? She like insects. If you go like America, you go see girl now, she feel just there now. She go draw one kind of fine rose flower. Why? She like plants, she like greens. I think they like. You come Lagos here, you go see girls, they go draw tattoo of wetin they like. One girl was see for phase 1. She draw dollar bill and 500 naira for the side. You know, say, okay, these people have money they like. And when I travel, go Aba, go see tattoo. Aba na the first place where I see tattoo, where we say, you never see. Aba na where one get draw tattoo, she draw fried yam for laps. And the first time I see tattoo, where we say, you go press tattoo, groundnut oil, you go dey come out. Aba. Those Aba people, they will convince you to buy anything. I don't go want to go buy shoe. Normally, they wear size 40. The guy brings size 25. I said, guy, no go size me. He said, no worry, they wear them, he go enter you. I just say, end there. When I start to do my youth service, I begin find out they can't give me one self-con today. As I enter the self-con, I notice once I open my phone, no space to work. I say, okay, this room day too small for me to say. It's my brother, don't worry. Once you stay this house 2 weeks, you go begin expand. Say, you go, man, they will do anything to convince you. My problem with girls now, this whole makeup thing where they go on. How many of us know about this eyelash thing? Eyelash, you don't even come down now. When eyelash come new, if you even go east, now if you be like say they rain, you go see girls go there and carry big eyelash, will be like cocoyam leaf, wear for eye. I no be there end as in come program is the fit just dey your back. Eyelash go dey blow, you go think say na half hand dey blow, you go sleep off. Lagos. I so much like entertainment. How many of us be fans of Nigerian league here? Nigerian football. I so much like football, but my problem is some kind of things wey dey happen when you go viewing center go watch match. You don't go those kind of viewing center where you say people wey dey buy Ronaldo then dey there dey watch match with you for Lagos here. I don go one beer parlour, one guy don dey shout, what is Ronaldo playing? Ronaldo, what's Ronaldo playing? I just say Ronaldo that we bought. And they look the man and say, what be the way? Ronaldo that we bought 350 million euros. The man just dey shout. Ronaldo that we bought 250 million euros, 250 million euros. We just keep quiet. When time reach now to buy drink, because at those kind of places where you need to buy drink before you sit down watch match. And the one where they say drink, come, say, okay, you need to buy Heineken. Say, no, give me one bottle. How much is Heineken? Say Heineken is 2.5. And the man shocked. 2.5 is when? So Heineken is 2.5. So how will tell me Heineken is 2.5? In my area, buy Heineken 350 naira. How will I go and say it's 2.5? So guys, if I say since when the Heineken begin to be 2.5? So Ghana says when I begin buy Ronaldo 350 million euros. Then it change. Good night, Lagos. My name is Beltran.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.